When Erin first rose from the dark swelling flood, God blessed the green island and saw it was good. The emerald of Europe, it sparkled and shone in the ring of the world, the most precious stone. In her sun, in her soil, in her station thrice blessed, with her back towards Britain, her face to the west, Erin stands proudly insular on a steep shore, and strikes her high harp mid the ocean's deep roar. But when its soft tones seem to mourn and to weep, the dark chain of silence is thrown over the deep. At the thought of the past, the tears fill her eyes, and the pulse of her heart makes her white bosom rise. O sons of green Erin, lament o'er the time when religion was war and our country a crime, when man in God's image inverted his plan and moulded his God in the image of man. When the interest of state wrought the general woe, the stranger a friend and the native a foe, while the mother rejoiced o'er her children oppressed, and clasped the invader more close to her breast. When pale for the body and pale for the soul, church and state joined in compact to conquer the whole. And as Shannon was stained with Milesian blood, they eyed one another and called it all good. By the groans that ascend from your forefathers' grave, for their country thus left to the brute and the slave, drive the demon of bigotry home to his den. And where Britain made brutes, now let Erin make men. Let my sons like the leaves of the shamrock unite, a partition of sects from one footstalk of right. Give each his full share of the earth and the sky, nor fatten the slave where the serpent would die. Alas for poor Erin, that some still are seen, who would dye the grass red from their hatred to green. Yet oh, when you're up and they're down, let them live. Then yield them that mercy which they would not give. Arm of Erin, be strong, but be gentle as brave, and uplifted to strike, be still ready to save. Let no feeling of vengeance presume to defile the cause of all men of the Emerald Isle. The cause it is good, and the men they are true, and the green shall outlive both the orange and blue. And the triumph of Erin her daughters shall share, with the full swelling chest and the fair flowing hair. Their bosoms heave high for the worthy and brave, but no coward shall rest on that soft swelling wave. Men of Erin, awake and make haste to be blessed. Rise, arch of the ocean and queen of the west.